G'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here. Today it is wet outside, but we are nice and toasty here in the garage. And today is the day. It's been about a week since I made the last video, but it is time for the clear coat. And we are going to get the top coat sorted today, not only on the side panel, but on the front bumper as well. So it's just layering up a lot of clear coat, and if there's any imperfections or anything you don't like, you can either wet sand it or we can actually polish it. So join me today as we sort all this out. Nice clear coat. We're on to the last phase before we can stick it on the car. Welcome to Panda Garage. Okay, so let's get started on this first layer. It's all tidied up, there's nothing there to get stuck in the paint, so let's get on with it. Okay, so that's the first clear coat layer. It's sort of fogged on at this point. We're going to build up a lot of layers on this today, and same as the front bumper. So we're going to get stuck on the front bumper right now, and then yeah, it's looking good already. So fingers crossed it all works out. Okay, so sorted out the clear coat. First layer, we're going to let this dry now and then we'll get back into it. Okay, so I've been ducking in and doing more and more clear coats every half an hour or so at this point. Just thought it would be a bit too repetitive if I actually kept just showing you the same thing over and over and over again, which is pretty much what I've been doing for like the last 3 episodes. So what we're going to do is final push now, get the last few coats on this. So I'm going to set you up on top of the bar so you can see both things. I'm going to push it home, and if I don't quite finish, we'll end the video at that point, and I'll finish it up just off camera, and then we'll get finally putting these panels on, because this has been the longest process I think I've ever spent on one car, and we've got plenty of other projects to get stuck into, plus some other great stuff coming up as well. Some very exciting things that are happening on the channel this year. So let's get stuck in this last bit, then I'll come back and we'll wrap it up. Okay, so that's it for today. I think we've pushed pretty hard on this, and I'm starting to run out of clear coat as well, but I think this is actually getting pretty close to being ready. It just needs a good buff, a good polish, and we'll be good to go. So we might have to do that in like a week's time, because on the canvas it's about 5 to 7 days. Also, I wanted to make note that I haven't been using respirator, and it's a stupid thing to do. I forgot it, and I sort of got a bit too excited in getting started into this. So make sure you have a respirator. Don't do what I do. So that wraps it up for today. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber already, hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a like as well. And join us on our pages on Facebook and Instagram, the Panda Garage. It will be linked down below and just below on the screen here. And post your ride as well. We're going to try and get as many people getting their cars out there and showing off what you've got. So join us on there. Join us on the channel. Stay tuned for next time. It's going to be great. We're getting so close to finishing off this Commodore. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This has been Panda Garage, and I'll see you guys next time.